In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make dark mode in Claude AI in just a few simple steps. If you spend a lot of time using Claude, switching to dark mode can make the interface easier on your eyes, especially if you're working at night or in low light. It also gives the whole experience a cleaner, more comfortable look. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick AI tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and log into your Claude AI account. Once you're inside Claude, take a look at the bottom left corner of the sidebar. You should see your profile icon there, either your initials or your profile picture. Click on that profile icon to open the menu. From the pop-up options, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings panel where you can adjust your Claude preferences. When the settings page opens, make sure you are on the General tab. This is where Claude keeps most of the basic appearance and account options. Now scroll down until you find the Preferences section. In that section, look for the Appearance option. You should see theme controls there, including the light and dark display choices. To enable dark mode, simply click the dark icon. As soon as you select it, Claude AI will instantly switch to the dark theme. No saving step is needed, so the change should happen right away. And that's it. You've now enabled dark mode in Claude AI. It's a quick change, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable the app feels to use. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.